Hello everyone, my name is Basham Patel and today I'm going to introduce you to the WithStand desk. First, we want to install WithStand desk, download the copy of the installer and double click the installer. This will now initialize the installation of the WithStand desk software. Once the installation process is complete, you will now see an icon for WithStand desk. Go ahead and click on WithStand desk to start the software. You can also start the software by clicking on the system tray icon, right clicking WithStand and clicking on WithStand desk. This will start the software and bring you to the instrument list. First, we're going to start with adding an instrument. When adding an instrument for the first time, it may take up to 5 minutes for the software to detect the instrument. For this demo, we're going to connect a 3800 series instrument, which is connected using serial USB. If you have units that support Ethernet IP, you can click on Ethernet and then type in the IP address. The software has detected the 3800 at COM16. I'm going to start by adding this to our instrument list. Once the instrument has connected successfully, you will see the 3800 series instrument connected at the top, and then also a green icon that shows 3800 connected. Next, let's create a test file that will go on to the 3870. You can do this by clicking on Test Files, click on Create Test File, and providing a test file name. Additional features like auto file loading, scanning the device model and serial number to execute a test, these are all available in WithStand desk. Next, click on Add Step, and then first we're going to add a step with voltage, ACW voltage of 1500 and a ramp up time of 5 seconds and a dwell time of 5 seconds. You can add more step by clicking on Add Step, changing the type of step, adjusting the parameters as needed. You can also edit a step to make changes to the step that's already been added. Steps can also be copied by clicking on the copy icon or deleted by clicking on the X. Once we have all our test steps ready to go, you can click on Save Test File to Desktop. This will save the file and bring you back to the test file page. Here you can send this file to the instrument by clicking on the three dotted line and clicking on Copy to Instrument. This file is now being copied onto the instrument. Next, we could run this file by going to Perform Test. And once on Perform Test, from the drop-down, select the file that we just created. Once the file is loaded, you can run the test file by clicking on Test. Once the test is completed, you can click on View Test Result for a quick view of the results, including standard and advanced reports. You can also print reports by clicking on Print Report or export to a CSV file by clicking on Export. Additionally, you can also go to the Reports tab, which will show you all the available reports. Select the report you'd like to print and click on Print Selected Results or export selected results. This will allow you to save the CSV file to the downloads page. And you can open the CSV file into an Excel or any database. You can make changes to where the reports and test files are saved by going into My Account, Control Panel, and browsing the location for test file location and the report file location. Additional settings for barcode and model selections are also available in the control panel.